Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. And if you ever needed some colors from a piece of clip art to reduplicate, you can always go to the color eyedropper tool and take a sample and put it over there. And then you could have that color forever. But there's another way to do it. If you will select all this, go up to Windows, Windows, Color Palettes, and add from selected. And then I'm going to call it fish. So I've already done it, so I'm going to say yes. It created a color palette of those colors. So if I want that box to be that orange, and that's probably a blend, there's more of the orange from there. Let's see how close it is. I don't really have never used this, but we'll take that. And that's pretty much dead on. But if you needed that dark maroon, it's kind of hard to see with them like this, but there's white and there's black from his eye. That's probably the dark maroon right there, and that's pretty much a match perfectly. So you made a palette of those items that you could use instead of having to make boxes and make your own color with the eyedropper tool. And always, to get rid of that after you're through with it, just go to palettes and close it. Then you don't have to have it anymore. But it's always there. Say a year from now you want to go to Tools or Windows, Color Palettes, Open Palette. There's that fish right there, and you've got it back. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.